Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Straight Talk account. Make sure you use the account tied to the phone number. Once logged in, locate the plan or refill section so you don't waste time. You need the 10-digit number and the payment method on hand because they'll appear during verification. After you confirm the account, note the current auto-refill date and the amount. This helps you avoid accidental double charges or lapses in service. Once done with account prep, go to Account, then Billing or Auto-Refill. The menu names vary, but the path is consistent. You'll see a list of lines. Select the specific line that shows Auto-Refill enabled. Make sure you read the displayed refill amount and next date because that confirms you're on the right line. Then choose Edit or Disable. If you only want to change the card, pick Payment Method. These actions immediately update the scheduled transaction. To finish, save your changes and verify the on-screen confirmation. You should also get an email confirming the change. If you still see auto-refill active after saving, make sure you cleared browser cache and check again. Sometimes the page shows a cached state. If it persists, contact Straight Talk support with your account number and a screenshot of the setting. They can force disable it. Finally, make sure you wait 24 hours for system updates before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.